Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to find and restore your archived chats in ChatGPT. If you have been tidying up your sidebar and now need to dig up an old conversation, let's get right into it. First, you need to head into your settings menu. On the desktop site, click on your profile name or icon at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. From the menu that pops up, select Settings. If you're using the mobile app on iPhone or Android, tap the two-line menu icon in the top left, then tap the three dots at the bottom near your name to open the app settings. Next, you need to find the Data Management section. In the Settings window, look for the tab labeled Data Controls. Inside this menu, you'll see an option for archived chats. Click the Manage button right next to it. This will open a full list of every conversation you've ever hidden from your main sidebar. Then you have a few choices for what to do with these chats. You can simply click on a conversation title to view it without bringing it back to your main list. If you want to move it back to your sidebar permanently, look for the Unarchive icon, which usually looks like a small folder or a curved arrow. Once you click that, the chat will jump right back into its original spot in your history based on the date it was last active. Finally, remember that archived chats